If the applications are invisible in your iPhone, then the first method to bring it back is pull the screen down and then look for the application like this one, Botim. Then tap and hold on the app, and if you see there is an option here, add to home screen. So if you select this option, the app will be available in the home screen of the iPhone. Now the next method is swipe the screen, and if you see this kind of folder, open it, and you can just swipe inside the folder also if there is another window. And if you see, this item is hiding. So if you want to bring it on the home screen, then tap and hold and then drag it outside. And the last method is tap and hold on this search icon at the bottom here, and then again tap on this icon at the bottom here. You will see there is one home screen which is hiding, and there is one application here. So select this home screen and then done. Now what happens, this app icon will be again visible on the home screen of iPhone.